my dear students, let's have a discussion on 16th group hydrides. Okay, at the end of this discussion I will be giving you few questions. You have to answer them in the comment box. Okay, so let's start here. The hydrides of group 16 generally having formula like H₂E. So E represents group 16 element. Okay, like this: water, H₂O, H₂S, H₂Se, H₂Te, H₂PO. Okay, so these are the hydrides. Okay, now what about its properties? What about its thermal property? Okay, so how can we understand this? See, these are the group 16 elements now. So down the group, what happens? Their size increases, right? Their size keep on increasing, right? So, but hydrides, hydrogen size will be remains same in all the cases. So due to the large size difference between the hydrogen and this polonium, the bond is relatively weaker. Okay, so it is very weak bond, so easily dissociate. Okay, so what I told you, down the group, due to the size difference, the bond becomes weaker, overlapping is very poor, therefore easily breaks. So stability, thermal stability down the group decreases. Okay, and bond easily breaks means bond dissociation energy also decreases down the group. Okay, you can remember like this. Bond angle also decreases down the group. Yes, these are the three things which are decreasing down the group. Next, reducing nature, what happens? So reducing nature increases down the group, acidic nature also increases down the group. Okay, why it is? Let us understand here. See, these except water, H₂S2, H₂PO, polonium, up to these hydrides considered to be Dragos compound. It means there is relatively there is no like proper hybridization. There is no proper hybridization. So their bond angles are in and around 90 degrees. I will show you the values for them. Okay, for this it will be, for water it will be 104.5 degrees. Okay, so this is what you need to remember. So therefore what happens? Bond angle is decreasing down the group. So here bond between hydrogen and the central atoms, selenium, sulfur, tellurium, will be having more P character, and the lone pairs present on them will be in the more S character. Okay, I hope it is clear. So due to that what happens down the group, but the P character nature between hydrogen and the central atom will be increases, and bond angle becomes more towards the 90 degrees. Okay, I hope it is also clear. Okay, so what happens down the group? The bond dissociation easy, right? So hydride, donation of hydride takes place, or electrons takes place easily. That's where reducing nature increases, and acidic nature also increases down the group. Okay, so then let's discuss about boiling point and melting point also. So increases with increase in molecular weight. So down the group molecular weight of hydrides increases, so boiling point, melting point also increases. You can remember like that. And one more thing here, the water will be having highest boiling point and melting point when we compare with the other hydrides, because of its extensive intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Water is showing highest what? Boiling point and melting point. That is what you need to understand here. Okay, the next, so the maximum bond angle is in what? So out of these hydrides, which is having maximum bond angle? Water is having maximum bond angle, which is around 104.5, and the remaining things you can say around 90 degrees only. Now it means they are having pure p orbital nature, p character for the bonds, not the sp3 hybridization. Okay, I hope it is also clear. So this concept is called Dragos concept. Okay, so now I will be showing you some questions here, so you need to answer them in the comment box. I will be waiting for your answers. Thank you.